How to delete your Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial in which I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Instagram account. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone. You can do this on Android or Apple. So once you open up your account, you're gonna simply go to your profile from the bottom and you will open up your settings and activity. So these are my settings and activity. Now, within here, you will be able to see your account at the top and account center. So you're going to select account center from here. Within your account center, you'll be able to see that you have different options. You have connected experiences, and then we have account settings. So under account setting, you'll see password and security, and then you will see personal detail. Now, this is the option where you need to go. So you will click on personal details. In here, you're going to select account ownership and control, and now you will find the option of account ownership and control. It says deactivate or deletion. So we're going to select this one. You're going to select your account, and after that, you will be able to see we have deactivate your account or delete your account. Now, deactivate means that you will be deactivating your account temporarily, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging in. The second option is delete account, which is deleting your account permanently. And when you delete your account permanently, that means your profile photos, your videos, comments, likes, followers, everything will be removed permanently and you will have to create a new account. So we are deleting the account, so we're going to select the second option. Click on continue. Confirm with your password, click on delete, and you can also transfer your data before you delete your account. You can download your photos, videos, reels, so that you can maybe activate it again or you can create another account. So click on delete account, click on continue, confirm, and your account will be deleted permanently. This is how you can very easily delete your Instagram account to your Meta Center. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel.